Stitching buttonholes on the PFAFF Ambition 1.0 requires your buttonhole foot. And when you hold it so that the bar is on the front and push on this lever away from you, it'll extend an opening. If you put your button that you want the buttonhole to be to that length in the back of the foot, then all you need to do is put the foot on the machine and practically let the machine do the work for you. So if you need a little help getting it underneath, you can always lift up the presser foot a little bit higher and then click to lower that down and into position. Make sure your dual feed is not engaged, have that be not part of it. The other thing you need to do is actually pull down. There's a little lever behind your needle threader that you pull down, and even has a picture of the buttonhole on it. And let's start off with buttonhole stitch number 22. And it even tells you to put the 5B foot on. That's the one we put on. Little stabilizer, a reduced tension. So I'm going to reduce the tension down to 3. That really makes the buttonholes a lot prettier. And you can even use the start-stop button if you don't want to actually hold your presser foot down, because all you need to do is let it stitch and it will stop back at the end. It's kind of neat how these buttonholes form. And I actually have some variegated thread in, so we're going to have kind of a fun decorative buttonhole. It'll stop with some locking stitches. Let you open it or lift up the presser foot. It will reset. So if that is the perfect length for the button that you're doing, then you can go ahead and repeat it. Now, did you notice that it did start in the lower part? So you do want to have your starting points here, because it's going to sew, you might say, away from us each time it makes a buttonhole. But it will do it exactly the same size over and over.